Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today we're here at Retro Shop to show you the installation procedures for our multicolor LED DRL boards for the 2019 Dodge Charger. Now, installation does require opening the headlights, so we recommend working with a professional installer such as Retro Shop to perform the installation. Let's get started. The first step in getting the factory board removed is to take out the 4 T20 size Torx screws holding the black bezel in place. Once those are removed, pull the bezel out and set it to the side. Next, there's actually going to be 2 more T20 size Torx screws holding the alignment bracket and the factory heatsink in place. Once we remove those, we can take out the factory heatsink and board and set those to the side. The next step is going to be to remove the 2 T15 Torx screws holding the alignment bracket in place. Once that's done, there's one final T20 Torx screw holding the factory board onto the heatsink. Once that's done, you'll need to remove the factory adhesion pad underneath the LED board. Now that can stay on the heatsink, that's not a problem, but you will need to remove that adhesion pad from the board itself. The next step is to drop in your Diode Dynamics multicolor LED replacement board. Make sure that sill pad is seated nice and flat on the heatsink and the LED board. Next, reinstall that T20 Torx screw, reattaching your board to the heatsink. Next, we'll resecure that alignment bracket using the 2 T15 Torx screws we removed earlier. Then the heatsink housing will be placed back inside the headlight and secured using the 2 T20 Torx screws. Now before we reinstall the bezel, we are going to go ahead and run our wiring for the multicolor LED boards. In this case, with this car being a Hellcat, it is HID equipped, so we're actually going to run our wiring through the hole that's already made for the HID ballast. If your car is not equipped with HIDs, you may need to modify or make your own opening for the wiring. Now you can finally reinstall the bezel using the T20 Torx screws we removed earlier. Before you reseal the headlight completely, go ahead and test for proper function. Once you're sure that everything is working properly, go ahead and reseal your headlight. Then you'll repeat all the same steps on the other side of the car to finalize your installation. With our multicolor LED boards installed in the DRL, you can see this charger has a completely custom look. For more information on this product, visit the link below or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.